Hey guys, my name's Chad, I'm your Tall Tailor, and today we're going to be making a tactical vest. This is a piece I've been seeing a lot, whether it's on Instagram. I know a lot of fashion pages feature them. Drake's recently been wearing them a lot for his shows. Pretty dope piece. It's also a really versatile piece. They come in a plethora of different colors and styles. You can layer them, wear them solo in the summer, in the winter. Honestly, anything goes. But enough with introductions. Let's get to sewing. So to start off, we have some beige cotton poly fabric. I got about 1 meter, a little bit over, just to do the body of the vest. Here we have 30 centimeter plastic zippers. These are going to be for the back pockets of the vest, the hidden pockets that you're not going to see. Here we have 18 centimeter zippers. These are going to be for the front pockets. And here we have one long 60 centimeter metal zipper for the front opening part of the vest. Here we have a whole bunch of cotton straps. I think it's about 5 meters, maybe a little bit less. And this is just going to add some accents on the vest. And here we have snap fasteners. These are going to be for the small pockets on the front of the vest. So I made a drawing for what the vest is going to be like in my book here, and then I have the fabric laid out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go translate this drawing onto the fabric, chop it up so okay, so we're done chopping them up. That's the piece for the back. That's the piece for the front. Both of them 4 pieces here. So all I got to do is stitch them together, add the pockets on this one and the pockets on that one, and then yeah, we're done. Okay, so that's one piece of the vest finished. This is one side. And the other side right over here. And the back of the vest is finished, almost finished. I sewed straps horizontally around the vest to give it more of like a fishing sort of, utility. And we're done. I'm super glad how this turned out. Really nice color, nice and neutral, easy to match. Really good weight too. The fabric quality is nice for this one too. And yeah, that's a nice vest. So this is the front. We got 3 clips, YKK metal zippers, total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. These 2 pockets on the side here, which are pretty cool. And the back, just got all these straps going down the back. Really nice design, super plain. Didn't want to make it too flashy. Got these 2 hidden pockets right there. And the other one, it's zippered up right now, but there we go. That one too on the side. Really nice. We have fasteners on the top there, stainless steel. They're not going to tarnish or turn green or anything like that, which would suck. This is a dope vest. I'm super happy how this turned out. So to get a better idea of how this vest fits, here's an on-body. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this vest, can you just give it up for this vest? If you like this vest, drop a like below. If you loved it, you gotta subscribe. Sorry, those are the rules. If you want to see more content from me, make sure to check out my Instagram at the Tall Tailor. Thanks again for watching. Peace. Oh, and happy Valentine's Day. Go spend time with your friends and family and your loved ones. Buy chocolates, flowers, all that kind of stuff. Bye for this time. Okay, bye. I cannot